Yeah, morning. We meet at a very traumatic time. Sir, have they announced to you that your attorney advocate has left us? Did they announce you? Bakuthelile to Mr. uMngomezulu? Usishilo. Hello? Uzweni? Is all. Okay, yeah. We all are very, very sorry about the latest turn of events. Yeah? Manje, we can't continue until you decide what should happen to your defense.
Asibazi ukuqhubeka uze kufikele lapho wena oshoyo ukuthi ufuna kwenzekeni ngokuvikelwa kwakho ngokomthetho.
You have a choice which you must exercise. I won't influence you. I can't tell you what to do. But you have a right either to defend yourself or to appoint another defense counsel.
Angeke ngikwazi ukutshela ukuthi wenzeni wena ufanele uzikhethele ukuthi wenzani. Mhlambe ke uzobe ukhetha ukuthi uyofuna omunye ummeli.
But because I know that you, or at least your previous lawyer, Mr. uMngomezulu, had said your uncle was financing your defense. Is that not so?
Well, ngiyezwa ukuthi kusho ummeli wakho lo ngasekho ukuthi umalume wakho uyena okukhokhelayo akunjalo. That is so, madam.
Yeah, so to be proper, that you must get in touch with your uncle and discuss this issue of your defense with him.
Uzofanele ukuthi ukhulume nomalume wakho ukuthi nixoxisane ngalesi simo lesi sokumelwa kwakho la enkantolo.
Okay. So how long are you going to need to do that?
Manje uzodinga isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ukwazi ukuxoxisana nomalume wakho? I wouldn't know, but then also there's the issue that my uncle was already complaining that his support, his financial support, is already very heavy on him.
Yeah, your colleagues, not your colleagues, Ms. Mchololo here told us in chambers that the legal aid board is prepared to finance you if you lodge an application before Friday, because they are closing on Friday, and in the meantime they can process your application if you so decide.
Manje ke ummeli uMshololo uthe yena abakwa legal aid bazimisela ukuthi bangakuxhasa, kodwa ke ufanele ufake leso sicelo ungakafiki kulesihlanu ngoba bayavala ngolesihlanu. Manje kufanele udonsa amasokisi ukuthi ufake leso sicelo sokuthi bakuxhasa abakwa legal aid.
Yeah.
Are they closing on this very Friday?
Yes, they are closing for
bazovala
Christmas, whatever they call it.
bazovalela ukhisimusi ngayo lesihlanu siyakuyena kulo leli viki.
Okay. So I don't know whether we should adjourn up to 11 o'clock. You must try and phone your relatives or parents or umalume wako, and then maybe you can come to some decision. If you haven't come to decision, you let us know. Is it okay?
Okay, so asimise lana enkantolo uzokufika 11 ukuthi wena uthintane nabomndeni wakho ubuse ubuya ke nokuthi ke nikhulumisane kanjani kuzolunga kanjani. It will be fine, my lord.
Any suggestions from Mr. Baloyi?
Well, my lord, firstly, on behalf of the state and my colleagues, we wish to express our heartfelt condolences to the uMngomezulu family, especially his wife, Sis Dumi, and the children, and we wish them well in this difficult time. We are in support of the suggestion that we should stand down until 11 so that accused number 1 can have the opportunity to contact his uncle. My colleague, Advocate Mchololo, indicated that she needs to go and support the family at 11. I think someone else can stand in for him if that is the position.
Yeah, fine.
As the court pleases, my lord, I echo Advocate Baloyi's sentiments regarding the passing of Mr. uMngomezulu. My lord, with regard to this aspect of legal representation for accused number 1, I do support the notion that we should adjourn until 11 so that accused number 1 can make the necessary calls and inform us, and then we'll take it from there, my lord, as the court pleases.
Yes, Mr. Minister.
I confirm the arrangement. Thank you, my lord. I confirm the arrangement.